Hello everybody, welcome to Stock Coney. So let's start with the news update first. As we all know that the market on Friday closed with Indian market closed with 1% of decline from the Nifty and Sensex side. Okay, but there is a good news also. So though there was a decline of 1%, FIs and DIs have bought around 9.6 thousand crores. Okay, so that means there was selling at the Nifty and Sensex stocks related things, but overall buying uh, was positive coming from the FI and DI side. So that means Indian stock market is still healthy. Okay, now let's move forward. Like what's going on? See, there are some updates that are coming up from India, China, and Russia. That there's a there are some back-to-back meetings which are going on, and our prime minister is going to meet China, so they are going to meet next month maybe. And there was a call between Russia president and our prime minister. So something is going in the background to make sure that if not US, there are others to uh, take our products. Okay, and um, let's discuss furthermore on this. So there were some allegations that US has put on India that India is buying oil from Russia and they are selling others. But that is not true case. See, Russia, India is buying from Russia, no doubt, but it is just 38%. If you compare with other countries like European Union, right, like Germany and all those countries, they are buying around 37% of the gas. They are buying around 50% from the LNG side. India is just buying 38% crude. More than that, China buys. Even European Union buys around 6%. Okay, so US saying that it's only India and imposing 50% doesn't make any sense. Leave that. So apart from that, what are the other things that is going on? So there is a meeting which is uh, going to happen between India, China, and Russia. It has been in news that our prime minister is going to meet uh, with China president, and there is a discussion happening between Russia and India. So there are some good updates coming up from the Asia and Russia side, and it's good for India. So it's just not that okay, US has imposed and we are going to fall. No, nothing like that. If not US market, there are other markets open for India. So it's nothing to worry from the stock marketing side. Okay, and let's discuss more. So today we will be discussing about three profitable companies. Okay, we'll analyze and I'll tell you the reason why I have chosen them. They are one of the best companies and will give you the reasons. So if you invest on these companies, again, it's all for the education purpose and all. But then yes, we'll go down on the deep and we'll do the deep down on this companies to see what's going on with this and is it good to buy or not. Okay, and then we'll discuss on the FIs. Okay, see. One most important thing here is even if the company is doing good, right? But if the uh, big investors like your FIs or DIs and all right, or the mutual fund companies, if they don't buy, right, even if the company does good, the stocks will not go up. So for us, the focus should be the companies which are being bought by FIs. Okay, so we'll discuss more on that. And apart from that, uh, we will discuss on the profitable companies. Okay, so let's go ahead. Okay, let's do the analysis on the profitable companies. So the first company that I would like to prefer is this Clapper India. So um, 1 second, let me show you why this company was chosen by me. Okay. So if you say this particular company, right? So this company total income that it has presented year on year, okay, from 209 crores it has gone to 232 crores. Okay, it's a massive jump. And then if you see quarter to quarter to 200, uh, 214 to it has gone up to 232. Okay, 214 crores to 232 crores. So that's a good sign. And then so basically it's around 12.4% growth year on year and 25.8% growth quarterly in this particular year. And if you see the profit after tax, it is growing around 17% year on year. Okay, so there are expenses also, but the expenses not gone that level how the income has been increased. Okay, so let's focus on the profit here. The profit coming is around 25 crore to 29 crore. Okay, so there's a uh, inclination of around 70% year on year, and if you see here from 26 crore quarterly to quarter, it has come to 29 crores. Okay, so even that's a good sign. So overall, if you see the earning per ratio, it has increased from 16.2 to 19 and from 17 to 19. So basically, there is a good year-on-year growth and quarterly growth. So this particular company is producing good results, and that could be one of the focus for us. Okay, you can keep in mind. Second, we'll go to next company. The name of the company is Garuda Construction Engineering and Limited. Okay, so Garuda Construction Engineering Limited. Let's see what is the income. Okay, here comes the income. So, see, three, it's around 3,513 lakhs. Okay, around 35 crores. It has gone to 126 crore. From 13 crores to 126 crore. That means it has grown to around 257%. 257%. It's a massive growth, guys. Okay, let's see what is the uh, growth in the profit side. So if you see the growth in the profit side, it is around um yeah, it's 11 crore to 37 crores. Okay, that means uh, there's a good profitable growth here. So in all the parameters, it is going good. In whether it is revenue wise or from profit wise, both it is expanding. So let's find out the last part, which is the earning per share. So if you see the earning per share, it is increased from 1.16 to 3. So it's three times it has increased. And from quarter to quarter also, from 1.94 it has gone to 3.01. So it's also a very good jump. So you can focus on Garuda Constructions. So let's move to the third company now. The third company is HomeFirst company. Okay. So if you look into this, so home first, the home first revenue has increased around 35.1%, 35.1% year on year, 35%. So basically, it has jumped from your 34 crores to 45 crores, and from 41 crores to 45 crores quarterly to quarterly, which is a very good jump. Okay, even there is I mean, a slight increase in the expenses, but overall it is all good. Let's find out the profit. So the profit after tax is coming from your uh, 8 crores to 11 crore year on year, and 10 crores to 11 crore. That is quarterly basis. Okay, so revenue has increased 35% year on year. Quarterly it is 9.4%. Profit after tax, if you see, it is around 36.8% year on year, and quarterly it is 13%, which is good. That means all these three companies have grown year on year and quarter on quarter, and this is a very good sign for any of the company. Okay, so if you see the earning per share also, it has gone up from 9 to 11. Okay, 11.69, and quarter to quarter from 11.65 to 11.69. So all these companies are uh, good because they have posted year on year and quarter on quarter good results. Let's now focus on the other side. So see, the reason of telling you all this is because all these companies, though maybe it is down because of the tariff and other things, but when all the companies will go, right, the sectors to which these companies belong, right, they will be the first to go up. Okay, and now our next segment is on the FI side. See, uh, as I said, right, see, even if the company does good, high chances the movement is not that uh, faster. Okay, and the reason is FIs and DIs are not interested more. Okay, any company which is growing good, plus they have an FI and DI buying them, then that particular company will grow in a faster pace. Okay, so there are many companies which have uh, been shown interest by the FIs. Okay, so let's discuss what are those companies which FIs have bought the stakes in. So the June month, we can see that around there are many companies, but we'll focus on few of the companies whose percentage is high on from the FI side. So first name is IFL Enterprises. IFL Enterprises, uh, the stake that is increased by the FI is around 16%, which is massive. Then Apollo Microsystem around 6.23%, Cotil Patel 3.97%, Capri Global 3.74%. Okay, there are other companies like Valley Energies, it's around 1.98%. Okay, so these are the companies which are doing very good. Apart from that, there is one more company, it's a small cap company. In that, FIs have increased their stake from 9% to 38%, and that company is doing great. Okay, I'm not telling you to buy that company. Okay, but if you see the growth of that company, the name of the company is Elitecon. Okay, so if you see in last 1 year or so, right, max, um, from 30th August 2024 till today, it has gone up to 90,276%. Okay, so basically this Elite International has shown good results year on year on basis and quarter on quarter basis. So basically this is for the March quarter that I was saying. The next results are going to come up on 12th August, and yeah, this basically company deals in the cigarette, cigars, and other things. So they exports all these products to Europe and other part of Asia. Okay, so that's the reason I thought to discuss with you. But again, this is all not a buy recommendation. It's all you have to do the study and then finalize, okay, whether to buy or not. So um, that's it from my side. So thank you, everybody.